Down here in the south, we still see Rock City barns everywhere. Do you guys see them where you're at? Some little towns disappear and to be forgotten forever, like Folsom, Georgia. It's no longer around. Then you got little towns like Fairmount. Fairmont? Fairmount.
Fairmount.
Fairmount. Welcome to Fairmount, Georgia. Fairmount is a small North Georgia community in southeast Gordon County, sitting where U.S. Highway 411 intersects with Highway 53. It's a crossroads. It's a big part of our lives. 411 actually connects Fairmount with Cartersville, roughly 21 miles to the south, and Chatsworth, about 24 miles to the north. And Highway 53 connects Calhoun to the west and east towards Jasper, Georgia. Long before those highways, though, this was part of the Tennessee Road. It was just an old road that horse-drawn buggies and carriages would carry supplies and travel and trade with the early settlers. And this was part of the Cherokee land in the early 1800s. And the railroad changed everything, like it did for most towns in Georgia. First train passed through Fairmount in 1905 after land was provided for the Louisville and Nashville Railroad. A gentleman by the name of Philip Tate laid out about 50 acres east of the tracks to become part of Tate Park. And that became the town of Fairmount. And what's left of Tate Park is still right in the center of Fairmount, right here. Hello. Do what?
There's a pizza and calzone place across the street.
Oh, a pizza and calzone place.
Quaint little building right there.
Oh, look at that, with an outdoor eating area. Looks like we might be doing lunch. So Fairmount is most definitely one of those small southern towns that has not been consumed with tourism or industry. It's still small. It feels small. Tate Park. Hey, check this out. I think we might be trying pizza, calzones, wings, and more. Look what I found.
Water.
City Hall, courtroom, police department, and library is all in this one nice building right here. One of the beautiful things about small towns is all the rusty gold. At least that's what I call it. Check out these old hardware stores and feed stores. This one's closed today, but this just looks like the way it used to be. And the cool thing is, it still is. Right here in Fairmount, Georgia.
Oh, they're open Thursday, Friday, and Saturday only.
Wow. They were open, yep, they weren't open today. It's Sunday. For us, anyway. Wow. This is a really cool, small town. Come out here and sit in Tate Park. Enjoy the afternoon. All right, guys, thanks for visiting Fairmount, Georgia with us. We'll see you in the comments.
Have a great evening, everyone.
Goodbye.